Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a amazing kit. Means wherever you can go, you can carry it easily. It is made by me. So you can see there are three rows. In there some spectacles, and in second row there is a watch, and in third row there is a minimal chain. You can see the specs. Two specs are in black color and one is in transparent. I am showing one by one. So guys, I want to talk with you something, that I am keeping videos but nobody is subscribing my channel, nobody is supporting. So please support my channel guys. If you will support, then I will bring more and nice videos with the best quality, and nice gadget videos I will bring guys. So this is a Times Wear watch which I bought from Flipkart, and you can see it is very nice with a leather strap. I am using still Oppo A71. That camera quality is not so good, but I am still using that phone only guys. If you will support, then I will bring cameras and high quality videos, so you can see. Okay guys, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment below, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe guys. Bye.